रगड़ो रगड़ो सबको रगड़ो।
Good evening, everyone. This is CV from CV Hydro. I hope all of you are keeping safe during the COVID times. We're passing through a very hard situation, and to be honest with you, one wonders where this is all going to end up. Nevertheless, I thought I must, sort of cheer all of you up and sort of distract you from the miseries of COVID-2. As you all well know, we started the Mission Turmeric 2021 with free webinars and training webinars. We started with close to 170 people, out of which 18 of them signed up as the first warriors in our Mission Turmeric revolution. Many of you must have also missed out due to various reasons that you have, personal reasons or any other reason. I'm sure some of you really wanted to be a part of Mission Turmeric 2021, and today is the 1st of May, and seeding has begun, and most of my clients or my students have started seeding their turmeric, and they are all very charged up, and they're full of josh, and they just can't wait to see what comes out at harvest time, somewhere close to January, February 2022. So for those of you who actually missed out, you must know that all these 18 of my students who are doing turmeric cultivation in soil-less methodology all over India are going to be sharing a lot of information throughout this cycle of the crop. And for those of you who missed out, you can take heart that we have come out with something called a See and Learn package. A See and Learn package will be where we will be taking you through the entire turmeric crop. You will be seeing how it was happening. You will be privy to a few webinars where I'll be discussing the progress of the turmeric. We'll be sharing with you details of our boot camp where we took a lot of videos for our Mission Turmeric 2021 guys, and we have already put that on CV Hydro, the Earn and Learn package. All of you who are interested, we have a free webinar happening on the 9th of May, and on the 9th of May we would like all of you to be there for the webinar so that you know what the Learn and Earn or See and Learn package is all about. It's a big bundle of stuff that you're going to get. Okay, you may not be able to grow the turmeric this year, but by taking you through the entire cycle of that crop, you are going to be really well armed, well educated, and ready to go, even with a small commercial project as small as even 1,000 square meters in May 2022. So guys, welcome all of you, welcome all of my dear citizens who are interested in growing turmeric to join this mission in a remote fashion. Learn everything that you can. I'll be there as your teacher, God willing, to take you through the journey, what my students are going to be doing, 18 of them here in this year 2021. So thank you guys. I would like you to be a part of my mission, and I really want to change the way we grow turmeric in India, and we should become the best quality growers of turmeric. Although we grow 80% of the world's turmeric, we need to make for a better turmeric. So welcome all of you for my free webinar, and see you soon. Take care. God bless. Goodbye. Godspeed. Good luck. Thank you, and Jai Hind. This is CV, and thank you again.